In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack checklists in Slack canvases. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear, collaborative to-do list right inside your Slack channel, so your team can track work without leaving the conversation. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click through to the official Slack website. Once you're in Slack, you'll be ready to build your checklist in the place where it will be most useful to your team. Open the channel where this checklist belongs. Channels keep work organized, so choose the one that matches the project or topic you're working on. Inside the channel, look toward the message composer at the bottom. Click the plus icon there to open the menu of things you can add. From that menu, choose Canvas. A canvas is a rich document that lives alongside your channel messages. It's perfect for notes, plans, and, in this case, a checklist your whole team can use. To move quickly, we'll use a template. In the template gallery, select the to-do list option. This gives you a pre-built checklist structure that's easy to customize. Click Insert to place it into your canvas. Once it appears, click the to-do list you just inserted to activate it, then choose Use Template. You now have a working checklist embedded in your channel's canvas. Next, customize it. Edit each task title so it reflects real work your team needs to do. Delete any placeholder items you don't need and replace them with your own tasks. Keep tasks short and action-oriented so they're easy to scan at a glance. If a task feels vague, break it into smaller steps so progress is easier to track. You can also add brief notes beneath a task if there's important context, links, or acceptance criteria the team should see. As work progresses, use the checkboxes to mark tasks as done. Checking an item immediately signals completion to everyone in the channel and keeps the list tidy. This is especially helpful during daily stand-ups or status updates, where quick visual proof of progress matters. A few tips will help you get the most from this setup. Use one canvas per project so information stays focused and clutter-free. Assign a name next to each task so ownership is clear and follow-ups are straightforward. Pin the canvas in the channel so it's always easy for teammates to find. And when you're in meetings, update tasks in real time so decisions turn into tracked action on the spot. That's it. You've created a shared, living checklist in Slack that keeps your team aligned and moving. Try it in your next project and keep everything in one place.